Let's open up the eyes. And we're going to clasp the hands, just a nice loose clasp, and start to pump the elbows up and down like pistons, moving one up then the other, and getting a nice stretch through the wrists and tops of the hands. Then try going in the other direction. If you're not getting it, you can do your own variation, but just keep thinking elbow up then the other one. We're going to start by stretching out the fingertips. The right palm is up. Press down on the pinky finger, keeping all the fingers nice and open. Then moving on to the ring finger. Again, palm nice and open, press down. The middle finger. And then our pointer finger. And lastly, the thumb. We need to go in the other direction, so bring the fingers across the hand and pull the thumb back towards the wrist. We're sitting still nice and tall with soft shoulders. Now turn the palm down, reach the arm out straight, and press with your free hand on the top of that right hand to get a stretch along the front of the hand and top of our wrist, maybe even down the forearm. Gently release and give the wrist a little roll. Let's move over to the left side, starting with the left pinky finger. Press it down. Keep the palm open. Moving on to the ring finger. Just about 1 or 2 full breaths on each finger. Over to the middle finger. Next up is the pointer. Keep the shoulders relaxed down and back. And then coming across the hand and drawing the thumb back towards the outer side of our wrist there. Final wrist stretch from seated. Send the arm out nice and long. Free hand presses on the top of that left hand. Make sure the arm is nice and straight to really get that stretch all the way down to the forearm. Release, and we can give the wrist a little bit of a roll if it needs. The next movement is called begging dog. It's a funny one. So to squeeze the fists and curl the knuckles in, then open the hands up towards the sky. Try again. Squeeze and flex the forearms. Then open and reach the fingers back. Exhale, squeeze. So as women, we're naturally not that strong through the forearms. If you tend to get sore in the hands or forearms, this is a good exercise to not only stretch them out, but give us some more strength up there for carrying grocery bags, typing on the computer, anything we do throughout the day that takes some grip strength.